Hello everyone. In the last lecture we have already started with the agricultural microbiology in which we have already seen the production of biofertilizers by using different types of microorganisms. In our this lecture we are going to study about the production of biocontrol agents. Now, what are biocontrol agents? Biocontrol agents are defined as the application of one living organism to control the growth of another microorganisms. The name itself indicates bio means living and control means to stop or to hold. Here, by using one microorganism, we can control or stop the growth of another microorganism. It is generally the host specific pathogen, or it is use of host specific pathogen to control the weed population. The organisms that suppress the pest or pathogen or kill the harmful microorganism is referred to as biological control agent, which is also called as BCA. The biological application is mainly introduced to induce the population of pest and produce the pest-free yield. Means to kill the different types of pest or harmful agents which causes infection to the plants. Such infectious agents are killed by using the biocontrol agents. Now, there are different examples of microbial biocontrol agents. For example, different types of biopesticides are there. These biopesticides are used to minimize the use of plant protection chemicals. Now, due to use of different types of chemical pesticides, the soil fertility is adversely affected. The soil becomes less fertile and the yield of crop is also reduced. So, to avoid such problem, different types of biopesticides are used. The microorganisms used in the biocontrol agents are help to protect the plants from the different types of insects like nematodes and different types of pests. Now, here are few examples of the microbial biocontrol agents or microbial insecticides. For example, bacterial insecticides. Now, several bacteria are used as an insecticide, means to kill the different types of insect, microorganisms or bacteria are used so that insects get killed and plants remain safe. Now, these insects generally eats leaves of the plants, or some insects feed on the flowers or the fruits of the plants. In this way, the yield of crop is affected. So, to kill such insects, different types of bacterial insecticides are used, and for the production of such insecticides, different strains of bacillus and clostridium species are used. For example, Bacillus thuringiensis. Now, it is mostly or extensively used to control the various pests. Bacillus thuringiensis, which is a toxic to butterfly or caterpillars, but it does not harm the other insects. Through genetic engineering, scientists have introduced toxin gene from these bacteria into the plants, making them resistant to attack by pests. For example, BT cotton. Now, BT cotton is the genetically modified plant in which the genes of Bacillus thuringiensis, which can produce different types of toxin, is introduced in that plant. Now, whenever the caterpillar or the bollworm attacks on this cotton plant, the plant have developed the ability to produce that toxin. Ultimately, the that bollworm gets killed, and it helps to kill large number of beetles, mosquitoes, flies, ants, and various agents. And it has various advantages, like it can be produced in low cost, it is environmentally safe as compared to chemical insecticides or chemical controlling agents. And there is no need to develop the resistance of the plants. Next one is viral insecticides. Now, there are some pathogenic viruses which can be used to kill the different types of pests. Now, pathogenic viruses is the viruses which causes different types of infection. Such viruses are used to kill the harmful pest in the agricultural areas. For example, bacillus viruses, they control the harmful pest and other arthropods without negatively impacting plants and beneficial insects. Now, as viruses are highly specific, they only kill the pest and they does not cause any harmful effect on the plants or the other insects. Majority of bacillus viruses used as a biological control agents are from the genus of nucleopolyhedroviruses. These nucleopolyhedroviruses or the nuclear polyhedrosis viruses are the type of viruses which are used in large scale as a biocontrolling agent. Then next type of microbial strain used is fungal strain, which are the fungal insecticides. They are most common and the most effective mean to control the different types of insects and pests. Trichoderma, for example, Trichoderma species are free living fungi found in the root ecosystem, and these are effective as a biocontrol agent of several plant pathogens. Different kinds of formulations are also developed and applied to the plant roots, which acts as an insecticides or which helps in the killing of various insects. For example, or examples of different fungal insecticides are Metarhizium, Verticillium, Histulella, and Entomoptera are the various fungal insecticides. Now, biocontrol agents control the pests such as insects, nematodes, then mites, weeds, and plant diseases using other microorganisms. These biological controlling agents help in maintaining the balance and these biological control agent helps in maintaining and balancing the plant species along with their natural enemies. This was all about the biocontrolling agents in the agricultural microbiology. Thank you.